Hello and welcome to Scott 2046. In this series of videos, which I'm calling Vietnam the Lowdown, I talk about where I lived in Da Nang. In this video part 2, a resident's guide, I talk about some of my favourite places in the area where I lived. These include convenience stores, supermarkets, cafes and restaurants, all within a short walking distance of my apartment. Just outside my apartment were some small, quieter streets. I used to use these as a shortcut. Sometimes I used to use these streets to avoid walking down the main road, which had a lot of mopeds, a lot of taxis, a lot of vans, and basically the pavement was slightly obscured, so it became quite difficult to walk down this main road. Walking down these small, quieter streets, I discovered quite a lot of family businesses and family homes, and it made me feel really relaxed and calm to see how the Vietnamese lived. When I was living there, once there was even a street party. Part of the road was sectioned off, and a group of Vietnamese families and neighbours were having a street party. They had tables out, there was lots of food, there was lots of drink, and there was music, and it made me feel really relaxed and calm to see people socialising like this. Okay, so let's take a look at some of my favourite places. Number 1, K-Mart, on the corner of two main roads, a short walk away, and my regular shop for beer, water and isotonic drinks. They're open 24 hours, the staff are pretty friendly and they speak basic English. Number 2, Burger House, again just 5 minutes away from the apartment. They make handmade burgers and real chips, fries to you Americans. They also make good coffee too. Sometimes I'd get takeaway and just take it back to the apartment. Number 3, Nice Coffee. This is a really smart cafe with very comfy chairs. Never gets too busy either. They make really good scrambled egg banh mi. I'm not joking, this is the only place I've ever seen scrambled egg banh mi, and I used to go there and buy it quite often. Number 4, Star Mart, just across the road from K-Mart, a very spacious convenience store. Doesn't get as busy as K-Mart and even has a friendly security guard outside. Number 5, the Farmhouse Tea, a Vietnamese run cafe. They do American, Canadian and English style breakfast. Just down the road from the cafe, number 6, Win Mart. Good for basic groceries, fruit, salad, cooked meat, cheese, bread, water, soda drinks and of course beer. Number 7, the Vincon Plaza Shopping Mall. Walking back towards the apartment now, this excellent shopping mall has an HMV, Levi's, Winmart, Mr DIY, a chemist and many more shops. There's restaurants and a cinema on the top floor. Number 8, Vietnam store. On the main road, which I can't pronounce, is a superb store for getting a new Vietnamese SIM card or for paying your next month's bill on an existing plan. Take your passport and be patient. Part 2, Lavender Coffee and Bar. Very affordable coffee. You can drink super strength espresso, sit outside the coffee hut and watch the world go by. Just opposite is number 2, Pho House. I had bun cha here for the first time. I first noticed this restaurant when I saw an old lady charcoal grilling pork pâtés just outside the restaurant. Number 3, Full Market, the relentless mini-mart almost on every corner in the tourist part of Da Nang. Expect good ham, cheese, baguettes, chocolate, noodles, personal care items and of course loads of beers to choose from. Number 4, Ho Barbershop. This barber speaks really good English. I had plenty of good conversations with him and his brother whilst getting my hair cut. Very affordable barber. Number 5, No Knee Eatery and Cafe, another chilled out cafe. You can get really affordable banh mi and spring rolls here. Also, the packaging for takeaway is pretty decent too. Number 6, PSG tourism, a currency exchange. If you need to exchange money, why not try this business? It's got good reviews on Google. I did exchange Thai baht to Vietnamese dong and I got a pretty good rate too. Number 7, Pfeffer Coffee Shop. I walked past this restaurant a couple of times on the way to Moon Milk. I noticed they had some budget-friendly meals and one of them was Vietnamese beef fried rice. I went there in December and January. Number 8, Moon Milk, a popular expat mini-mart that specialises in international food, Vietnamese coffee, excellent fresh baked croissants, baguettes and pastries. Just around the corner from Moon Milk towards where the Radisson Hotel is another full market. This is slightly bigger than the other full market convenience stores I'd seen. It seemed to specialise in more expensive imported foods and it also had a lot of Weasel coffee souvenirs. Okay, so this is the room tour. This is the view from the front door of the apartment. And this is the living area, TV, settee in the background, and then that's the kitchenette. It's a dining table and chairs, which I also used as a computer desk. I used to have to move it and plug it into the wall there. Electric hob, which I did use occasionally, and brand new rice cooker, which I never used, and sink. Sink was really a pain in the ass to wash up, to be honest with you. And really good fridge freezer, brand new microwave which I didn't use. These woks I didn't use, these pans I only used one pan. I did use this chopping board, the knives weren't very sharp so that's pretty much why I didn't really do any cooking. And then here's a view of the bathroom sink in the reception room, very strange. This is obviously the bedroom, divided by a glass wall with a door that moves. Really nice fitted wardrobes and desks, all made out of the same wood. You just saw the second TV, which I didn't use. One thing that you should be aware of is when I checked out, the guys, they checked everything. The TVs, the air conditioning, to make sure it all still worked. And we're just going into the bathroom in a sec. Decent toilet, shower with 2 shower hoses, a rain shower and a normal hose. Here's the tumble dryer upside down and a washing machine. That's it, that's the room tour. Thanks for watching, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Have a good one.